A blessed day, everyone. In our devotion for today is found from the book of Deuteronomy, the fifth book of the Old Testament, chapter 18, Provision for Priests and Levites. From verse 1 to 5, it says, "The Levitical priest, all the tribe of Levi, shall have no portion or inheritance with Israel. They shall eat the Lord's food offerings as their inheritance. They shall have no inheritance among their brothers. The Lord is their inheritance, as he promised them. And this shall be the priest due from the people. From those offerings a sacrifice, whether an ox or a sheep, they shall give to the priest the shoulder and the two cheeks and the stomach. The first fruits of your grain, of your wine, and of your oil, and the first fleece of your sheep, you shall give him. For the Lord your God has chosen him out of all your tribes to stand and minister in the name of the Lord, him and his sons for all time." This is the word of the Lord. Amen.
Good morning, everyone. My devotion for today is from Deuteronomy chapter 18, verse 6 to 10. If a Levite moves from one of your towns anywhere in Israel, where he is living, and comes in all earnestness to the place the Lord will choose, he may minister in the name of the Lord his God like all his fellow Levites who serve there in the presence of the Lord. He is to share equally in their benefits, even though he has received money from the sale of family possessions. When you enter the land the Lord your God is giving you, do not learn to imitate the detestable ways of the nations there. Let no one be found among you who sacrifices their son or daughter in the fire, who practices divination or sorcery, interprets omens, engage in witchcraft. The word of the God. Amen.
Good day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 18, verse 11 to 14. Detestable practices, or cast spells, or who is a medium or spiritist, or who consult the dead. Anyone who does these things is detestable to the Lord. And because of these detestable practices, the Lord your God will drive out those nations before you. You must be blameless before the Lord your God. The prophet. The nations you will dispossess, listen to those who practice sorcery or divination. But as for you, the Lord your God has not permitted you to do so. Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. Our reading for today is from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 18. I'll be reading from verse 15 to 18. And you, prophet like Moses. And here is the scriptures. The Lord your God will raise up for you a prophet like me from among you, from your brothers. It is to him you shall listen, just as you desired of the Lord your God at Horeb on the day of the assembly, when you said, "Let me not hear again the voice of the Lord my God, or see this great fire any more, lest I die." And the Lord said to me, "They are right in what they have spoken. I will raise up for them a prophet like you from among their brothers. And I will put my words in his mouth, and he shall speak to them all that I commanded him." Amen.
A blessed day, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 18, verses 19 to 22. If anyone does not listen to my words that the prophet speaks in my name, I myself will call him to account. But the prophet who presumes to speak in my name anything I have not commanded him to say, or a prophet who speaks in the name of the other gods, must be put to death. You may say to yourselves, how can we know when a message has not been spoken by the Lord? If what a prophet proclaims in the name of the Lord does not take place or come true, that is a message the Lord has not spoken. The prophet has spoken presumptuously. Do not be afraid of him. This is the word of the Lord. Amen.